Alright guys, so I'm going to be coming in here today, getting this 77, taking it over to get the exhaust put on it. The guy that I brought the car from, he has straight pipes. He has straight pipes put on here. Now guys, I had duals put, the guy put duals on this for me. You can barely see him, but he put duals on this for me a couple of months ago. So I like how he ran them, so I'm gonna take them, let him get this done before winter. I'm not tearing this car all apart. So this car, it'll be easy just to get painted. I'm gonna do the front end on this next, and then I'm gonna be taking it and then I'm gonna start the body work on it. I think I'm gonna go and stay green with it, guys. I think I'm gonna just keep it the green that it is. Gonna go from there. So he got straight pipe on this thing. Little spider right there. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna take this baby, get the doors put on it today, guys. Yeah, the hood is down. But I do got a center console for this car, guys. So some kind of way I'm gonna put bucket seats in here. Some kind of way I'm gonna get it done. So '77 Regal. I hope I didn't say Wildcat, because you know that's what I've been working on the most. So old force of habits, but she's running better and better, guys. She's running better now that I got that old gas out of here. So I kind of like the way she's running. So the front end will be next on this one. I kind of figured I needed a tune-up, but I will put a tune-up on here. And but the carburetor, everything seemed to be running a lot better to me, guys. I mean, I think it's running pretty good, so. So let me see where this guy want me to park this car. I told him I don't want it outside overnight. So let me see if he's got room here. think he's in this building. Let me see. Whew, that don't sound good. These doors are big on here. Yeah. Yeah. You can.
What engine that's got a big block in it?
No, it's got 350. Yeah, I don't know. I'm looking for one with the factory roof in it for over 25 years. I finally found it. So, man, my favorite car though.
What do you do on YouTube? The car stuff? Or?
Yeah. Well, all right, how you doing today, my man?
Good, good.
All right, so what's your name?
Brian.
Brian.
Yep.
So hey, you coming? You gonna do the? You did my '79, ran the duals out. You're gonna run the duals on this, and you do some pretty good work. So,
Thanks.
man, in the Racine area, you want to give out your number or what?
Yeah, if you want to contact me, it's 262-498-1120.
All right, guys. So when he
mostly like custom exhausts and brakes, brake lines,
Okay.
suspension, front end steering stuff like that.
Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, because I need front end work on this. So maybe if you check it out,
Sure.
you could tell me what I need, and then I'll bring it back.
Yeah, that'll work.
You know, so he's gonna put the duals on this for me, guys, and you're actually gonna do the cross member because I brought a new cross member that got the duals from I got it offline, but Summit I think is where I got it from.
Okay.
So you're gonna be able to hook that up for me and everything there.
The keys are in it, or?
No, they right here. They right here. All right.
Yeah, I'll check it over and give you a holler.
All right.
Cool.
Thanks,
Nice
Brian.
to meet you.
All right.
See ya.
All right. Yep. Yeah, he's gonna get it done for me, guys. So Brian, he's here in Racine on Junction. So I'll let you check it out once he's done. All right, guys. See, I'm gonna unbox this here. It's for the 77 Regal. Taking it in. Taking it in next week to get some dual exhaust put on it. I think I'm gonna keep that kind of original color. So I'm gonna try to paint it and have it ready by spring, because the car don't need much. So I'm gonna try to get tune up, get stuff done to it that needs to be done. So guys, this thing is a little heavy too. So, let's see if I can get this out of here without killing myself. Heavy duty, that's for sure. So guys, what it is here, this is nice. Looks like I could have engineered one myself. But what it is a cross member for the A body, the 77 Regal. So when I get the doors put on it, a lot of times the guys have to run the doors over the hump of the transmission. And I think it's gonna go, this will be upside down like this though. Is what I'm thinking is how it's gonna sit. But the guys normally run the doors like almost like a cross member, and to me that's just taking up too much pipe to get the duals to run straight out the back. So this is a cross member, guys, to be able to run the duals straight out from the engine straight back. I'm not putting headers or anything on there. I'm gonna just get a dual exhaust. It's a 2-barrel car, the 77. I think I'm gonna keep the car green, like I said, keep it original. And the guy is gonna actually put the cross member, he's gonna change the cross member out for me too. I got a new tranny mount, just in case the tranny mount is bad. So I'm gonna take this up to him and let him put the dual exhaust on this car, guys. So that's the cross member for 77 Buick Regal. All right. And then real quick, got the tranny mount. Or the new tranny mount, just in case though. So, alright. I'm gonna throw this back in the box. Bring the 77 down and then take it in. Get this put in. They shipped it out pretty quick too, guys. I ordered it Thursday, I think it was, and it's Saturday now, so they sent this out pretty quick. Because I didn't know if I was going to have to change the appointment for getting the exhaust on, but they got it here pretty quick. All right.